What's up, Pit Crew? Welcome to the nation. I'm your host, Tim, and today we're dealing with a failed blend door actuator. The one on the Pit Crew Skyline is on the passenger side, so I'm going to show you how to change that out. Let's get into it. First thing we got to do is set the climate control to 64 degrees.
Testing.
Now, if we don't do that, let me unplug that. If we don't set the climate control to 64 degrees, then the little armature is not going to be able to line up. So, this is going to save us a whole lot of effort. Okay. So now to access the passenger side blend door actuator, we got to take parts of the dash off. So we got to take this panel off, we got to take the actual glove box out. This little kick panel underneath the dash, you got to pull that sucker out. So I might as well do that right now since it comes out easy. And of course it's got a little harness, which for the life of me, I couldn't tell you what this harness does, but gotta unplug it. Yeah, there's no bulbs, so Siemens VDO, I'm not quite sure what that means. Some kind of electronic part, I guess. Maybe some form of sensor. I don't know. Moving on. Ow. Hit myself in the face. All right, so to get the glove box out, I just kind of had to get this guy out of its track, and this popped right off. This one fell out of its track. There's a little cable that connects right here. You just put your trim removal piece underneath it and pop it out, and it automatically retracts. So it's too big to actually go into the dash. You're not going to lose it. And then pop this guy right off. So glove box is out now. Next, we need a Phillips head screwdriver to get this lower panel out of the way. So let me grab one. So some of these plugs have a locking tab, and that's what this looks like it is. But I can't seem to get it to move one way or another. Okay. All right, well, we'll just pop the wire holder off and leave the trunk lock button connected. That allows me to get it out of my way at least. Okay, and we can see where these little guys came from. If you have one of these that won't hold, like this guy keeps falling down, just close them up a little bit, squish them by hand, grab some pliers, what have you, push them back in place. For some reason, I remembered this thing being lower than it is, but this is the blend door actuator right here. So it's held in with a couple of Phillips screws. This one's fairly easy to get to. And if I recall, there's another one up. Yep, there it is. Right up. Oh, let's see if I can get the camera in there. Right here. Yeah, you can see it. Now, that one, that is horrible to get to. To get to it, you really need a right angle screwdriver, or in my case, a right angle driver. I can't for the life of me remember where I got this. It might have been a Lowe's or a Home Depot or something. It's a Milwaukee, so I'm guessing it was a Home Depot that I got it from. And it just accepts a 1/4 inch screwdriver bit and goes into an impact. So, don't know how well you're going to be able to see this as I change it, but we'll do the best we can. Yeah, you probably can't see a thing right now because my body is blocking all the light. And I know I can't see a thing right now. Okay, got the plug out. And got it moved out of my way. Yeah. We'll just use the right angle driver on both of them. I'm gonna have to break my back on the door sill. There it is. So the armature goes in this little slot right here. Just like that. And that's the part that if you don't set the temperature to 64 degrees, you will fight it. Let me see if I can start this screw by hand. Whoops. Without losing it, maybe. Oh, I hate when that happens. Yep, I think it went under the carpet. Heard it. There it is. Okay, crisis averted. For now. Crisis averted for now. Need to actually get this sucker in place before we can say it's over. Trying to make sure you can watch my videos in front of your kids. So I'm trying real hard not to cuss. But I assure you, this job, this is worth cussing over. It's a pain. They're as tight as I can get them with my right angle drive, which is tight enough because they don't have to be ridiculous. And we're plugged back in. So now it's just a matter of putting everything back together. If any of you know what this is, what this does, leave it in the comments. I'm really curious, and I still haven't figured it out. Because you know, you really need to see me slide this one panel back in place. It's crucial. It's important. Crucial. I love that sound. Side up to 71, and this side 78. Yep, it's warmer. It's working now. So, turn that back to, yeah, there we go. All right, so the big question is, why do blind door actuators fail in the first place? Well, that's a hard one to answer. I'm not exactly sure, but I have been told by professional mechanics that what causes the failure is when the passenger side and the driver's side are more than 10 degrees difference. So if I'm chilling out at 71 degrees and the wife is heating up at 90 degrees, that's gonna blow the arm out and it's not gonna function on her side anymore because it's just way too much temperature difference. So do with that knowledge what you will. Me personally, I'm going to make sure that there's no more than a 10-degree difference, preferably no more than an 8-degree difference between the two sides in this car from now on. So that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. If you like this episode, leave a like and subscribe. If you learned something today, leave a comment. Tell a friend, share this video. And of course, as always, keep it safe, keep it on the track.